Welcome to Money, my friend. Today, we'll navigate through the financial maze of life's big events. We're going to discuss 9 major life happenings that can shake your finances to the core. From the pursuit of education and the joy of marriage to the challenges of divorce and economic hardship, we'll delve into how these events affect your financial health and, more importantly, how to plan for them. So buckle up and let's start with the first major life event: education. Education is our first stop. It's a significant investment that shapes your future earning potential. Now let's dive into the details. The cost of education is something that can't be overlooked. Whether you're aiming for a bachelor's degree or considering a master's, each step comes with its own price tag. Often this leads to student loans, a financial burden that can follow you for years. But don't let the numbers scare you. There are ways to mitigate these costs. Scholarships, for example, can significantly reduce the financial strain. Or consider saving plans, like a 529 plan, which offer tax advantages for future education expenses. Imagine this: you're an aspiring doctor, burdened with the high cost of medical school. But with proper planning, you secure scholarships and start a savings plan early on, easing that financial weight. That's the power of proper financial planning. Invest wisely in education. It's the foundation of your financial future. Next, we tie the knot with marriage. It's more than love, it's a financial union too. When you say "I do," you're also saying yes to shared financial responsibility. It's crucial to understand the implications, from joint bank accounts to tax benefits, debt handling, and shared expenses. It's not just about paying the bills, but planning for your future together. Building a budget, setting financial goals, and making decisions as a team. Remember, marriage is a partnership. That includes your finances. Now, we welcome a new member to our journey: having a baby. This bundle of joy comes with a bundle of expenses, from the immediate costs of healthcare to long-term considerations like education. It's a profound journey that requires a robust financial plan. Think about health insurance, childcare, school fees, and even college savings. It may seem overwhelming, but with foresight and smart planning, these costs become manageable milestones. A baby brings joy, and with smart planning, you can focus on the joy, not the bills. Our journey takes a turn with divorce. It's tough, but financial preparedness can ease the burden. This life-altering event can bring significant financial changes. Legal advice is crucial to navigate settlements and asset divisions. It's also a time to foster financial independence, cultivating skills to manage personal finances effectively. From understanding your credit to setting up a solo budget, these steps can empower you. Divorce is hard, but financial knowledge can make it a bit easier. Now we face a hurdle: personal injury or illness. It's a reality we'd all rather not dwell on, but it's one we must prepare for. In this unpredictable world, health insurance becomes an absolute necessity. Imagine for a moment being diagnosed with a chronic illness without insurance. The medical bills pile up, leaving you in a financial quagmire. Now, consider the same scenario, but with health insurance. The financial burden is significantly lessened, giving you the space to focus on recovery rather than monetary concerns. Next, let's talk about emergency funds. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. A car accident, a sudden health issue, these are events we can't predict. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, cushioning the blow of these unforeseen obstacles. Lastly, long-term disability insurance. If a serious injury or illness prevents you from working, this insurance serves as a financial lifeline, replacing a portion of your income. Health is wealth. Protect it. Life's journey isn't always sunny. Death or illness of a loved one can be a financial blow. It's a harsh reality, but one we must face. Life insurance is a safety net, providing financial support when it's needed most. Inheritance isn't just about wealth, it's about legacy and providing for those left behind. Estate planning might seem daunting, but it's crucial for ensuring your wishes are honored. Prepare for the inevitable. It's the best gift you can leave your loved ones. We're on the move now. Moving homes. One of the most exciting and often stressful experiences in life. It's more than just changing your address. It's about changing your perspective, your neighborhood, and yes, your finances. Moving involves costs, some obvious, like hiring movers or renting a truck, and some hidden, like the cost of setting up utilities or unexpected repairs in your new place. Then there's the potential change in your cost of living. Maybe you're moving to a city with a higher cost of living, or perhaps you're downsizing and expect to save some money. Either way, it's essential to budget for these changes. it's always a good idea to do some research. Understand the costs involved, plan for them, and adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, being financially prepared can make the whole process a lot less stressful. Home is where the heart is, but it's also where a chunk of your budget goes. Now we're making a switch, changing jobs or careers. This transition can be exciting, offering new opportunities and experiences, but it's crucial to be mindful of the financial implications. Consider the difference in income, the costs of retraining, and even periods of unemployment. Remember, a well-stocked emergency fund can be your best friend during these times, and planning ahead by saving and budgeting can ease the financial stress. A career change can be a fresh start. Make sure it's a financially smart one. Finally, we face a storm, economic hardship. This is not a storm we choose, but one that often chooses us. It's a test of resilience, a challenge of our financial acumen. In these times, 3 tools become crucial: an emergency fund, smart budgeting, and sound financial advice. Imagine an unexpected job loss or a sudden market crash. Without an emergency fund, you're walking a financial tightrope without a safety net. This fund acts as your financial buffer, designed to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, cushioning you from the hard fall of economic downturns. Next, smart budgeting. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you through the rough seas of economic hardship. It helps you prioritize needs over wants, ensuring you stay afloat. Lastly, sound financial advice. It's like having a seasoned captain navigating you through the storm. Experts can provide strategies tailored to your situation, helping you weather the hardship. In times of economic hardship, your financial planning skills become your lifeline. Our journey through major life events and their financial impacts comes to an end. From funding our education and celebrating marital bliss, to navigating parenthood or divorce, weathering personal illness, or dealing with the loss of a loved one, moving homes, changing careers, or surviving economic hardship, each stage has its own financial challenges. But remember, these aren't just trials. They're opportunities to grow, to learn, to adapt. Remember, my friend, life is full of surprises, but with smart financial planning, you can be ready for anything.